related to reviewing the past simple and the present perfect simple. Today also we are going to, before we start the exercises, we are going to review the use of the past simple and the present perfect simple, and also we are going to have a look at time expressions related to past simple and also to the present perfect simple. A reminder, the past simple says exactly when something happened. With the past simple we use some time expressions like in, yesterday, last, ago. An example, I went to Paris last May. Number two, the present perfect simple. The present perfect simple can express life experiences. However, the present perfect simple is used with different time expressions like never, just, already, yet, ever, for, since. As an example of the present perfect simple, I have been to Paris once. Have you ever eaten Chinese food? It means ever. Here it means at any time in your life. Now we had a look at the differences between the use of the past simple and the present perfect simple, and also we saw the expressions used with the past simple and the present perfect simple. Now we are going to move to exercises. First exercise, you need to tick the correct sentence. I'm going to give you two options. Only one of the options is correct. The first example, I saw Ahmed yesterday. I have seen Ahmed yesterday. So what is the right answer? I saw Ahmed yesterday or I have seen Ahmed yesterday. As you can see here we have yesterday. So yesterday is specific time in the past. So the right answer would be I saw Ahmed yesterday. Now we are going to move to the next example. Did you ever eat Chinese food? Have you ever eaten Chinese food? We have ever as a time expression here. So the right answer is have you ever eaten Chinese food? Present perfect. Now we are going to move to the next example. Example number 3. Maryam won a prize last month. Maryam has won a prize last month. Here we have a time expression also, which is last month. So the right answer would be the first one, of course. Maryam won a prize last month. For example, some has ever been to London. Some has never been to London. So ever normally is used with questions, and here we have a sentence. So the right answer would be second one. Some has never been to London. Example number 5. Has your teacher or has your brother done yet his homework? Has your brother done his homework yet? Here we have time expressions which is yet. It's normally used with the present perfect, but normally we do not use it in the middle of a question. We use it at the end of a question or a sentence, a negative sentence normally. So the right answer would be, has your brother done his homework yet? The last example, she has bought a new car, or sorry, she just bought a new car. She has just bought a new car. Just is normally a time expression which you use with the present perfect simple. So the right answer would be, she has just bought a new car. Now, after we had finished the first example, we are going to move to the next exercise. Exercise number 2, you have two time expressions for the present perfect, which are since or for. So in this exercise, you are required to fill in the gaps with since or for. As you know, since is used when we talk about when we talk about a point of time, whereas for we used for when we talk about period of time or duration of time. So I have, the first example, I have had English lessons 10 years. So 10 years is a period of time, it's not a point of time. So the right answer would be 4. I have had English lessons for 10 years. Salah has collected stamps 2003. The time expression we have here is 2003. 2003 is a point of time. So, in your opinion, what is the right answer? Sure, it would be since. Salah has collected stamps since 2003. The third example, she has been here last month. Last month is a point of time. So the right answer would be she has been here since last month. Now let's move to example number 4. My brother has played football 2 years. My brother has played football 2 years. 2 years is a period of time. So the right answer would be 4. Example number 5. Sam and Mel have lived together 8 months. 8 months is a period of time. So the right answer would be 4. Example number 6. They have done the same job, August. August is a point of time. So the right answer would be, of course, since. They have done the same job since August. The last example, my father has driven his car 1996. 1996 is a point of time. So, in your opinion, the right answer, sure, is since. My father has driven his car since 1996. Now, we are going to move to the last exercise. Practice number 3, put the verbs between brackets in the correct form. Here, as students, and in dealing with exercise like this, especially when we talk about the past simple and the present perfect simple, you need to detect time expressions in a sentence or a question or whatever. Now, let's see the first example. Janet packed her case and she's ready to go. Here we don't have a specific time. So, in your opinion, what is the right answer? The right answer would be has packed her case and she is ready to go. Example number 2. You see Sam at the supermarket last week. So here we have a time expression which is last week, and we have just seen that last week is a time expression that used with the past simple. So this is a question. So in your opinion, what is the right answer? Of course, the right answer would be, did you see Sam at the supermarket last week? Example number 3, Mark repaired the lights. They work now. Here we don't have any time expression. We don't have specific time. So, in your opinion, what is the right answer? The right answer, of course, would be Mark has repaired the lights. They work now. The next example, as you can see, we have a time expression which is last week. So last week, is it used with past perfect? The present perfect simple or the past simple? Sure, it's used with the past simple. So we need to put the verb between brackets in the past simple, and the right form for Go in the past simple is went.